Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your GMC Terrain. First, make sure your vehicle is on and safely in park. Then, locate your infotainment system's main menu. From there, you'll need to navigate to either the phone or Bluetooth settings option to begin the pairing process. This initial step is crucial for setting up a hands-free connection. Once in the Bluetooth menu, select the option to pair device or add new device on your vehicle's screen. Simultaneously, enable Bluetooth on your mobile phone. Your phone will then start searching for available devices. Look for your GMC Terrain's name in the list of devices that appear on your phone's screen. After finding your vehicle's name on your phone, select it to initiate the connection. A pairing code will then appear on both your phone and the vehicle's screen. Confirm that these codes match. Once confirmed, your phone should successfully connect, allowing you to make hands-free calls and stream audio through your GMC Terrain sound system. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and your GMC Terrain. Sometimes, deleting old, unused pairings from your vehicle's system can also help resolve connection problems. For more tips and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your connected driving experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.